So one of the most common chart patterns you're going to find on the chart are the flag formations. Now the question is, how can you trade a flag formation? Now in this video, I'm going to show you the exact ways to identify a flag formation, how to identify your entry, and how to understand the potential movement when the flag has already been formed. So you need to understand that the flag formation will always occur each time you have a strong push of the price, like a strong marathon push of the price, either in the down direction or in the upward direction. But most times the flag formation seems to be more active and more happened more when the price is in an uptrend. So in this example, I'm going to try to show you to break everything down to understand how to spot the flag formation, how to enter a trade in this type of market condition. So you can see over here that this is a strong push of the price, because you can see that we are having series of green candles now moving in the direction of the trend of the uptrend. So you can see now that in this type of condition, we will be expecting the price to cool off for some time, because when the price rise very quickly like this, it is expected to cool off for some time. Now the cool off stage of this price is what we will be looking at to see if we can have a flag of this type of market condition. So you can see now that the price has pushed up very strongly, and this is a previous lower high swing. Let's try to have an horizontal line here. You can see that if we put a line on this level, you can understand that the price has already broken this previous lower high swing, which is a sign that the price has moved out of the zones of the sellers, and the buyers are quite now trying to take control of the price. You can see now that the flag is forming, and this is how it usually look like it won't just look exactly like this, but this is how it looks like more of the times. So you can see that after the strong push of the price, we are having it cooling off now. We are having some weaknesses, the price moving with some very slow momentum. Now you can see that the price will be creating some kind of lower lows and lower highs, and it will consolidate like this for some time. Now if you are having this type of rejections, the next thing you are going to do is to apply a line on the resistance level. You can have it like this. If we can have this type of rejections, now this will provide the channel that the price is quite moving, and the next thing is to wait for this type of breakout. Now this type of breakout, each time they come, will signal to you that the price has escaped this funnel, and we can expect the price to start to rise. You see here that this is a pattern. You can see that this is a pattern. The price will respecting this level on the support level, and it will also respecting this level on the resistance level. And most times, if we have a breakout from the both side, the price will tend to go in that direction for another period of time. But since we have that this lower high swing has been broken, like I showed you earlier, it is a sign that the price has left the zones of the sellers, and it may continue to go in the upward direction. Now you see that the price has broken this horizontal trend, this resistance trend line very, very strongly, and this is a sign that the price will continue to rise up in the favor of the seller, the buyers. So this is how to identify a flag formation. You will see this strong rise of the price with a very strong volume. It will move continuously in favor of the buyers for some time, and if it moves like this, it doesn't just continue to go in this manner. It needs to cool off for some time, and when it cools off, that is the stage where you will be experiencing the flag trying to form. And this is how it usually forms. It may take longer than this, but if the retracement phases of the flag exceeds over 50% of this original move that you can see here, let me try to apply a line here. So let's try to see that this is the movement of the price from this level to this level. So what I'm trying to say is that the retracement phase, like this pullback, must not exceed 50% of the price. Now let's try to put an horizontal level here. Let's say this is the 50% of this very move, because this is the halfway point. If we have the price retrace back and break this line, which means it has retraced above 50% of this push, it will signal that this is not a valid flag formation. If it wants to retrace, it needs to retrace at least 20 to 30% of this original move. Then we can consider that to be a valid flag formation. So if the retracement comes up to like 30 to 20% and we have a breakout in the resistance level, it will mean that the price has escaped this funnel and the price should continue to rise in favor of the buyers. So this is how to identify a flag formation. You should also look out for previous higher low swings or lower high swings and see that they has been broken. If they have been broken, like we have on this level, it will also make the setup even more valid, because you see that when we are having a downtrend, we are not supposed to be having the lower highs broken, because these tend to be the strongest zones of the price. You see that the price were moving strongly in favor of the sellers, and then this was a strong move that came and broke this lower high swing. And originally, if this happens, it will signal to us that the sellers have now lost momentum. And again, another thing you should be paying attention to is you can see on this level that the price created a double bottom pattern. You can see on this level that when the price came and created this new low, we were supposed to have a retracement phase, which we always have, like a minor uptrend, which will be against the original downtrend. And if you look, you will see that if I try to put this trend line on this level, you can see that this is a retracement phase. Now the price broke this retracement phase, you can see, and it fell down for some time. It were unable to break this previous low, as you can see here. It was unable to break this previous low, which is quite unusual, because if we have the price break a support level when we are having a retracement in a downtrend, we are supposed to be having a new low created somewhere that should be lower than the previous low, you see. But on this level, it refused to happen, and after that you see that this was the spike that happened and it moved very, very strongly. So you can see that all of these confluences put together has signaled that this is a valid flag formation, because here we are having a double bottom pattern. We see that the price moved very strongly, now broke this previous lower high swing. And we can also see that the price has cooled off for some time. We had our resistance level, we had our support level, but the support level is not, we don't pay attention to the support level because it doesn't really mean much, because we are expecting that the price should be breaking above the resistance level because of what has happened on this level after the price has broke this new lower high swing. So all of this put together are the things you need to consider to be able to spot if a flag formation is a valid one or not. So I hope you've learned something from this video and you can apply the same when you have decided to trade. So if you have any questions regarding to this video or to this setup, do it to drop them on the comment section. I'm very good at replying to comments on the comment section. If you're new here and you are yet to subscribe to the channel, do it to hit that subscribe button. It doesn't take nothing from you to subscribe to the channel, so you can continue to see our content just like this. We trade live, and we have a lot of videos where we trade live. You can explore the channel to watch these videos, and also, most importantly, apply in your own practice section to be able to master these strategies to make some money for yourself as well. So if you find any value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button, just so this video can reach out to more people like you who may be interested in content like this. On this note, I'm going to end this video here, and I'll see you again next time. But till then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.